It's an incredible thing when people come together to be creative. We give ourselves total permission to be in a space of non-judgment, non-interpretation. The studio is a sanctuary. It's a place where we can fully be present with ourselves and with each other. We come together to leave the outside world outside the door. And we step in between the worlds when we come into the studio. Though we may have no formal training, we may have no experience, we may think that we have absolutely no talent, all of a sudden we realize that we are creative beings. It is our birthright to create. It is engaging in the arts that ultimately heals us. Please join us at Expressive Arts Burlington. Bring your creative self, bring your imagination, and see what happens when you give yourself permission to play with others, with the materials, in a space of no judgment. You are welcome here.